Hello and welcome to Apuntes de Español. In today's video, we are going to study the numbers from 30 to 100. To count from 30 to 100, there is a simple rule we can learn. Numbers bigger than 30 will be written with an E in between. For example, 32 or 36. If we know the numbers from 1 to 10, we only need to study the tens. Here I'm showing you the list of tens that we need to study. So please use this time to write them down in your notebook, and I'm going to read them for you, and you can practice the spelling. 40, 50, 60. Stop the video if you need more time to write. The next list are the numbers 70, 80, and 90. Let's practice them. Write down this number in your notebook. Did you write 72? Next example. Did you write the number 61? Next example. Did you write the number 89? Cuarenta y cuatro. Cincuenta y cinco. So this is the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed this practice. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you are interested in seeing more like this. Thank you. Have a good day.